Hi, what is going on, everyone? This is Khan. Welcome back with the part 2 of how did I earn $4,960 just in 30 days. Last time, if you remember, I have posted in the Facebook. I don't remember what was the group name, but I just posted that I earned $4,960 just in 30 days. After that, many people just started texting me and mailing me that how did you earn these 4,960. It means like $5,000 just in 30 days from the affiliate marketing. And many people they were just claiming me that this is fake, this is not real. After that, I have showed my own result in this video. If you haven't watched, then go to descriptions. I have put the link already in the descriptions below, so you will watch the part one. This is the part one video. Okay, in this video I have showed you my earning in 30 days and the other people earning last month, this month, and today, and like this. Okay, because I have just earned this platform before 30 days and I earn about $5,000 just in 30 days. And this platform giving you guarantee that in 60 days you can earn about $10,000. In case if you didn't earn these monies and implement all those modules, all those training which they have given to you in this platform, so that they will giving you refund all that money which you pay for this platform. So you all will be thinking that from where did you earn this money. So there is one platform, name is Ministry of Freedom. Okay, we can say the money. Welcome to Ministry of Freedom. This is the platform. I have already joined this platform, and if you want to join this platform, it will cost you about $1,497. It means like when you pay $1,500 for the first time, okay, then you will have no need of investing any money. Okay, but after that they are giving you this guarantee that you can earn about $10,000 just only in 60 days. Okay, and so now I'm here inside the Ministry of Freedom. As you can see, the first thing, as you can see, this is my library. As I click on the my library, so that I will enter into the Ministry of Freedom. Okay, this is the bonuses which they offering free of cost, and the paid aids courses, and the Ministry of Freedom community support. Okay, so that first of all I will just overview you that what is inside the Ministry of Freedom platform. So this is the my library. After that I will just go inside this, but before going inside I am going to show you these things also. And this is the support. Okay, when you join the Ministry of Freedom, they will give you support each and every time. So this is the things like if you have any issues, you can directly ask from the Ministry of Freedom, and also ask from the John Armstrong here directly by mail. Okay, and I'm going back. As you can see, this is the Facebook group. As I click on this Facebook group, it will take me toward the Ministry of Freedom private group. It means like these are all those people who already joined MOF, we can say Ministry of Freedom. So that after you joining this Ministry of Freedom private group, so that you will be able to watch all the announcement and all those things. Okay, so it is loading now. I don't know why I will show you this okay, okay, as you can see, this is the Ministry of Freedom and private group, and this group have already 4.4k member. It means that 4,400 some plus members already joined this Ministry of Freedom, and they are earning. Okay, a few people claiming that how did they earning, and as they have earned or not, so you can watch my previous video, which is the part one, and I have already given the link in the descriptions. You can just click on that link and you will see where they have earned and how much money. And as me, I'm the given proof that I've already earned $4,960. It means like $5,000 in 30 days. Okay, so this is the Ministry of Freedom, and you can ask any kind of questions there. And this is the billing and refund. As I told you that in 60 days, if you didn't earn $10,000, so then you can click here and you can directly mail, and you can submit the form to the John Armstrong. He is the owner of Ministry of Freedom. And in this video, 5 minutes and 54 seconds something, he is giving you how can you submit your form for the cancellation and refund. This is because some people joining the MOF Ministry of Freedom, and they claiming that we didn't earn money. until I haven't seen no one that he told that I haven't earned money. But in case if someone come and they told that I have spent 60 days in money strap freedom and I have implement all those training, all those things which we have to do, and I still haven't earned $10,000 in 60 days. So for those people, they have to click on the billing and refund. They clicked here and they can get their refund. Okay, and they have already given the guarantee to you. And this thing request for the MOF affiliate link if you want to promote this affiliate program, so you can promote from this link. Okay, and this is the password reset request and like these some things. Okay, now I will click on my library. This is my library. Okay, as you can see, the first thing, Ministry of Freedom, it means like the view products. When you click on the view products, so you will go inside the training modules. As you can see, this is the training modules. In the first, this is the dashboard, and this is the Facebook group. As I told you, firstly, when you join the MOF Ministry of Freedom, you click on this Facebook group and you will join the Facebook group. If in case someone send you the Ministry of Freedom private group link and you want to go inside and you want to join, you can't. This is because when you join in, they will ask that what is your email, what is your ID, what is your MOF, some proof that you have to give the proof that I have joined MOF, and after that they will approve you. Otherwise you will be not approved. It means like if you are the member of Ministry of Freedom, you will be able to join their group, but if you are not the member of Ministry of Freedom, you will be unable to join that and they will not giving you any approval. Okay, so this is the secrets and private things. And the course introduction, in this sections they will giving you all the introduction of this course, like the introductions, and they will greeting you and supporting program, how they will support you. Okay, I am telling you that how did they can support you. So they can support you by this supporting, and they can also support you from this, as you can see, from this pink bar. When you click and you start the texting here, and you can ask anything, so the Jono by itself and all the admins, the David and Amy, and they will reply you as soon as possible. And this is how the program works. This will tell you that how you can do in this program. And this is the guarantee. I told you the 60 days to earn $10,000 formula, how you can earn these things. So I will just only show you some things from here.
Hey, what's going on? It's John Armstrong here.
Okay, as you can see, this is the $10,000 just in 60 days action plan. Okay, in the first 15 days you just do launch checking. So you will be thinking that from where we can earn these, we can learn these things. So just go back and you start from the week 1, week 2 and week 3. Until week 3 you will be able how you can do launch checking and making review videos. Okay, from the second thing, okay, as you can see, like from the 3 to 5 days you can start soft launching. It means like first you will be able to promote other people products, and when you promote that you will get your incomes from there. I'm giving you one example. For example, there is one owner, he have one software. Okay, his price is $100. Okay, and he is offering that if you people promote this products, I will giving you 50% of this. It means like when you promote their product, when you sell once, so the price of this product is $100, so that when you promote and you get a sale, so in this $100 you will get 50%. It means like you will get $50 just in one sale, so that when you join this MOF you can promote about 20 products in a day. It means like if you sell only 10 product sales, so that, and if the price of the products become 100, so you multiply 50 multiply by 10, it means like you can get $250 just in one day. Okay, I just giving you example, but this is the action plan. Okay, so John Armstrong said that when you join the MOF, just in the beginning of 15 days you only implement and you do lunch jacking. Lunch jacking means making review videos and sell the products. Okay, and you all people will be thinking that it is hard and it is difficult like this. No, it's not difficult. I joined before 30 day. It means like I joined on 19 June and today it's like 22 July. It means like I have spent 1 month and 3-4 days just in this, and I've already showed you in the first video, I have earned $5,000. Okay, so that from the 15 days you will earn some money. Okay, from that money you will spend here in the soft launching modules. I will show you after that. From there, so in the soft launching you will be able to earn about $600 and like this. So for the software launching, so I'm going to repeat this again to you that when you're doing launch jacking just in 15 days you will be able to earn about $600, so that you have to invest that $600 in soft launching. Okay, so it means like for the soft launching you will have need to spend about 10 to 20 days, and soft launching 3 to 5 days. It means like at least you will need about 25 days. So in the first 15 days you earn $600. From that $600 you invest in soft launching. From the soft launching you will be able to earn about $2,000 $3,000. Okay, so now you are here in this place. So after that, when you able to earn about $2,000 $3,000 in your wallet in Wider Plus, then you invest that money in the paid traffic. So from the paid traffic, in the 60 days, after 60 days you will have at least $10,000, maybe 9,800 something like, but around $10,000. But in case if you don't have these monies in 60 days, so the Ministry of Freedom giving you this guarantee of refund, like they will you will go back to this place. I'm going to show you. As you can see, from the billing and refunds, you come here and you can just write all those things that I have made these videos from the from the lunch jacking, and I have launched this software, and from there then I have spent in advertisement and like in the Google ads. But in this 60 days I haven't earned $10,000. So that the Ministry of Freedom giving you this guarantee that they will giving you your all money in your refund. Okay, so this was something like the Ministry of Freedom, that the Ministry of Freedom giving you support, like the MOF community product supports, and from here like the chat form and the Skype group. When you join the MOF, the Ministry of Freedom John Armstrong will giving you the 3 mentors. They will be available for you in 24 hours. They will be helping you in each and everything if you stuck here. Okay, and in case and after 60 days you haven't earned these money, so then you come here and they will giving you your refund. Okay, and this have also the way you can also promote this Ministry of Freedom. Okay, so all thing. Now here in the this course, like in week 1, the John Armstrong will set your mind, and from here the big child. And here, as you can see, these are the big choices. From the big choices, he is telling you that which you have to implement, that because in the dashboard from the Facebook you will you will be enter into the Facebook private group. From the course introductions you will know that what is Ministry of Freedom and what is inside this, and how you can start this Ministry of Freedom. And from the quick guide, from the quick start guide, it is you can think that this is something about the summary of this whole Ministry of Freedom. And the week 1, in the week 1, John Armstrong will make your mindset that how you can do and how you can implement, and how much time I have to give to Ministry of Freedom that I will be success. And the big choices As I told you, John Armstrong will tell you that which thing you have to implement for the achievement your big goal. And from the organic modules, he is telling you that what things you have to do. So like the orientations and the welcomes, they are getting you in the lunch jakings, and for in the week 3, no sorry, in the week 2, in the week 2 he will teach you that which software you will use and how you can use this software and how does this software works, like YouTube accounts, Wire Plus, JVZoo, important affiliate links and commissions, Gorilla to respond to Facebook, and all these things, and how you can make your Google Calendar. I have already made my own Google Calendar. I am going to show you. Okay, wait, it will be loading. As you can see, this is my Google Calendar. On the Monday I have promoted this product, and Tuesday this product, and these are the products I have promoted, and each product is having like these things, like this is my affiliate link, sale page, and these bonuses. So I have made these all things. From where I learned from the Ministry of Freedoms, and from these sections. Okay, this was tools and applications in the lunch jaking, like he is teaching you that how you can do lunch jaking, like the which product you have to promote, that part will be sale and calendar gathering, and like getting organized, and links, how you can make the bonus pages, and from where you can get these bonuses, and which bonuses will be beneficial for that product. So this was all these things, and which with descriptions you have to put under the video, and thumbnails, and uploading, and stream hacking. It means like how your video will be at ranking on the top of the YouTube page, and like this. So from there, so up to week 3, this all was about promoting and lunch jaking. From the week 4, week 5, sorry, week 4, it is like the summary of the soft launching. It means like you will learn these things in the week 6 and week 7, like how you can launch your own product, and other people, other affiliates come and they'll promote from you, and you will get your own money. And from week 5 you can learn that how you can do email marketing. As you know, nowadays more people are doing email marketing. And from the week 8, like the software research and outsourcing. And from the week 9, the paid traffic, I will show you here. You will be able how you can do like the Google ads, and how you can earn money from the Google ads. Okay, so this was something like I have to go to my library, and there is one sections for that, like the Google paid ads. And from the paid ads, as you can see, this all, as you can see, this all is about just for the paid ad. So this is inside the Ministry of Freedom, and I have told you, I have promised you that I will show you that how did I earn $5,000. It means like $4,960.22 just only in 3 days. This is only and only due to this Ministry of Freedom. If you people decided, and if you people are interested in this affiliate marketing, and you people wish to earn about $10,000 just in 60 days, just join this Ministry of Freedom. So you will be thinking that from where we could join. So I have already put this Ministry of Freedom link in the descriptions below. Click on that link and you can buy that. Okay.